In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format your first spreadsheet using LibreOffice Calc. Whether you're new to spreadsheet software or just looking to learn the basics, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening LibreOffice Calc. If you're on a Windows machine, head to your desktop or Start menu to find LibreOffice. Once you're there, you'll see the Start Center, which is essentially your gateway to all the different LibreOffice applications. For our purposes, we're going to click on the icon that says Calc Spreadsheet. This will open up a brand new blank spreadsheet ready for us to work with. Now that we have our spreadsheet open, let's take a moment to understand the layout of the Calc window. You'll notice the grid made up of small boxes. These are called cells, and they're organized into columns labeled A, B, C, and so forth, as well as rows numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on. Each cell can be identified by a unique address based on its column and row, such as A1 or B2. Just above the sheet, you'll find the formula bar where you can enter data or formulas. And at the bottom of your window, you'll see the Sheet tabs, which you can use to switch between different worksheets within your file. To enter data into our spreadsheet, start by clicking on cell A1. Type the word Name and then press the Tab key. This moves you to the next cell to the right, which is B1. Here, type Age and then press Enter to move down. Let's enter some actual data as well. Click on A2 and type Anna, then move to cell B2 and type 23. Once we've entered our data, it's time to save your work. It's always a good habit to save your work frequently to prevent any data loss. Click on File in the top left corner and select Save As. Choose a folder where you'd like to store your document, then enter a name, something like My First Spreadsheet. Click Save, and your work is safe and sound. Next, we're going to do some basic formatting to make our spreadsheet clear and visually appealing. Select cells A1 and B1 by clicking and dragging over them. Look at your toolbar and find the bold icon, which looks like a bold letter B, and click it to make your headers stand out. Next, click on the background color icon, which appears as a paint bucket, and choose a yellow color to highlight your headers. Finally, let's do a simple calculation to introduce you to the power of formulas. Click on cell C1 and type Total. In cell C2, we're going to perform a simple operation by entering a formula. Type Ils as B2 plus a 10. What this does is add 10 to Anna's age that we have in cell B2. Once you hit Enter, you'll see the result appear in cell C2. Congratulations! You've just completed your first formula in LibreOffice Calc. And there you have it. You've successfully created, formatted, and performed a calculation on your first spreadsheet using LibreOffice Calc. Keep practicing these steps and you'll find yourself mastering spreadsheets in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.